Hi, my name is Mike with EST. Today we're going to be going over the electrical control box and the components and how to disassemble and look at the components inside there and how to reassemble. So disassembling the control box, we'll use a metric 3 Allen wrench. There'll be 4 screws down by the on-off switch. Make sure that your unit is unplugged and de-energized. And we'll take by unscrewing the bottom 2 screws first. And then the top screws, we're going to support the box that's in the frame behind here with one hand, and then take out the screws from the top so it doesn't fall out. Now the electrical box should come out from the back frame here to be able to access it. Careful not to pull it too tight because there's wires underneath here. There's enough length here to pull it out a little bit. But inside the electrical box, you can see there's a motor starter. There is an inline fuse that's on the bottom side here. If we replace that or look at that fuse, what you do is take a flathead screwdriver, unscrew it. This is right directly in line with the main line and the plug. There's a glass fuse in here. So you can also remove this fuse. Check the continuity if it's good. You can see if it's bad. Sometimes it's broken in there or dark, burnt. Plug that back in, tighten this back up. So pretty simple control box, as you can see, and the push buttons on the front and the lamp. So the push buttons that we have here on the front to start and to stop the machine directly correlate with some of the buttons on the motor starter. So here's a stop button, which ends up actually pushing the stop control on the motor starter itself. And the start button, you can see there's a contact lock back here that starts everything. And then you have the power light right here. So all the numbers are wired and labeled. Please refer to electrical schematic during the component and or wires where they go. So to reassemble the box, what I'll do is get a screw started here. Have it ready. Push the box up on the back side. Make sure all the wires are out of the way here. What I have to do is look through the holes in the frame to make sure that the screw aligns with the hole, and I can start screwing this in. So I get the field screw started here. I can go with the next screw. You can kind of line the screw with the hole and put the screw in. I'll double check then once I get this in and started that there's no wires that are pinched behind here. So I can look back on the back side to make sure that there's no wires trapped before I tighten everything up. Thank you for watching the video on the electrical box and the components of the SB-2EX. Some of our other case sealers are very similar as far as the assembly and disassembly. If you have any more questions or need part numbers, please visit our website at est.com. Thank you.